and I draw the bearing which was at 7 and 8 minutes, bearing 46. Okay. Mm. 45. This is 46. 45, 46. Right there. Perfect. Now I take the ruler, and the range of to the target is 2070 meters. I will put here, and I go until 2070 meters. Around something around here. Okay, and now I take the marker and I mark 2 here. I delete all my drawing and I'll have only the marker. So I take now the ruler, point here, mark 1, and I draw a line to pass the mark 2. Okay, like this. And now I'm going where the mark 2. I go a little bit north. Okay. No, it's not good. Now it's okay. So I go here and I draw a line from mark 2 until mark 1, and I see I have here 900 meters. Okay, so I have 900 meters. The ship made 900 meters in 5 minutes. I choose toggle chart visibility. I'm going here and here. 5 minutes. I had 900 meters. So it's around here. You see, 925, 900. I go here and I see the speed is 6 knots. So now I have the speed of the ship. I close this one. I have the speed of 6 knots, and also I have the course. So I'm good to put the data in the TDC. So first I put the speed. Okay, here is the dial for speed. I open this one. Manual input. And here is 6 knots. Okay, perfect. Now I need to input the bearing, the range, and the angle and bow. The bearing will be on my right side, so the bearing will be here. The range and the angle and bow, I know the ship is traveling from my right side to my left side, so the angle on bow will be here on the left side. So now I must choose where I want to hit this ship. Excuse me, my phone is ringing. Just give me a second, please. Okay, so here we are again. So as I told you, I can choose the bearing where I want to hit the ship. Okay, so right now the ship is bearing 44. So I will choose. I have time to put all my data in the TDC and do all the drawing. So let's say I want to hit the ship and the bearing 35 degrees. And how I will know it's there? If I I will have no visual contact because my sonar guy will report me the ship is 35 now degrees, and in that time I will fire my torpedoes. Okay, so because of that I am ready to put my bearing. So my bearing will be like 35 degrees on the right side, right here.
Frachter in 0.
Just a second, please. Okay, so I put my bearing 35 degrees. Okay, now I must draw this bearing to find the angle on bow and the range. Okay, so what I will do, I will take the protractor, and I don't need this anymore. I'll take again the protractor, and here is 179, 180, perfect, and 35 degrees bearing. Here is my 35 degrees. Okay, so I will fire my torpedoes when the ship will be here, right here. Okay, so now I have my bearing, I have my speed, I need the range and the angle on bow. I take my ruler and I draw a line from here in this point where my bearing intersect the course of the ship. So I will have 1800 meters. Okay, this will be my range in that point at 35 degrees. So 1800 meters.
4-2 stärker werden.
I put this on my TDC. Oh no, it's okay. 1794. 1794. And now I need the angle on bow to put in the manual TDC. For this I take the protractor and I draw a line, an angle. So I put here on the course of the ship until here. No, excuse me, it's not this one. So I will the angle on bow, it's from opposite course to the ship. Okay, and I draw like this. So it's from here, because the ship is moving from left to right. I put here and I put in this point here. Okay, and I draw here. Okay, so I will have 57-degree angle on bow on the left side. Okay, so left side here I have 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I 57 will be somewhere around here.
4-1 stärker werden.
57, perfect. It's almost 57. Here I have a red 7.
4 stärker werden.
Okay, so 50. Now I have all the data in my computer, in my TDC. I have the bearing 35 degree. I have the range, I have everything, and what I need now, I need the ship to be there. It's already 39, so I go here
Frachter in 038. Stärker werden.
So
Frachter in
here 35.
037. Stärker werden.
It's almost there. I go navigation map. It's on 37. 36 now.
Frachter in 036. Stärker werden.
Oh.
Frachter in
35.
035.
Fire.
Stärker werden.
Rohr 1, los.
Los!
Rohr 2, los.
Los!
And roar
Frachter
dry.
in 034.
Los.
Stärker
So I
werden.
fired all my 3 torpedoes. As you see, I had no visual contact with the map. I did all the drawing only by hydrophone.
Frachter in
Now
033.
we go outside
Stärker werden.
to see if we did all the calculation.
Frachter in 032. Stärker werden.
This is my first torpedo. This one is magnetic.
Frachter in
Here you are.
031. Stärker werden.
Perfect.
Frachter in 0.
Okay.
Stärker werden.
So this one must to have a magnetic impact at 2 meters, if I remember well.
Frachter in
Yes.
029. Schwächer werden.
Oh. Bomb.
Torpedotreffer.
This one. The second one. 2.5 meter impact.
028. Schwächer werden.
And now
Torpedotreffer.
the third one. So here I am again. I had a CTD crash to desktop because of my I have too many programs running in the same time in my computer, and my sub mode I have like maybe 50 modes installed. So in that tutorial that you saw, I used the right interface, I used the real navigation, and I used the realism 96%, was like 100%, but I choose to have the external camera to prove you that my torpedo hit the target. So this method with the hydro hunt you can use for example when you have foggy days, and if you have, for example, a heavy fog, you cannot see until you, I don't know, maybe 200 meters, depends of which mode you install. It's a good mode, it's a very nice mode for the fog. It's the sober mode, version 16, if I remember well. And thank you TDV for your idea. Now we can use our hydrophone, and maybe in my next tutorial I will show you how to hunt using the real navigation and realism 100% when you have visual contact, how to use your periscope. So until then, bye bye, and good hunting. Bye.